Welcome to my home management version 1.0 system. This is a highly simplified spreadsheet for those of you who don't like anything too complicated like myself. I don't like flipping through multiple sheets, so I hope you will appreciate the simplicity of this system. To start with, let's go over the parts that you should not touch. First of all, we have the date up here, and these sections here, which will auto-populate with tracking progress bars as you fill out your daily habits over here. Additionally, you should not mess with these lines here, as these allow a grocery list to auto-populate from your inventory page. But other than that, let's go over the whole sheet. So first of all, you'll be able to track up to 10 yearly habits here. You go ahead and fill that in, and you can copy those habits over to your daily habit trackers. Now each line of this has a different color, so you'll be easily able to track it over the year based on the color. This goes all the way from January to December, and they will appear here as little progress bars. You can write some notes to yourself, as well as appointments or scheduled meetings you have for this week. You can also change this little quote here if it's not for you. I just want to give you something positive. Next section, we have our daily cleaning checklist. These are things you should be doing every day. Feel free to change them if they don't suit your circumstance, as well as monthly cleaning. I'm not someone who can just put it down on a certain day and get it done. So I prefer this checklist system in order to give me time throughout the month to get these tasks done when I can. Next, we have your meal planning, which has room for breakfast, lunch, dinner, 2 snacks, and a dessert every single day to keep you on track. And over on the right, we have room for your work schedule, Monday to Sunday, as well as an additional day down here. I've put in a meal prep day for you to remind you what day to do meal prep. But if you're not a meal prepper, you can change this to something else like mow the lawn day, or really whatever you like. It's completely up to you. This is your spreadsheet. Another little quote that I think really captures the whole point of this spreadsheet, which is just do what you can and not everything at once. Now, this grocery list here, you can go ahead and copy and paste the items that appear here into another program. If you prefer to do your shopping list in Apple Notes or something, just go ahead and fill in the quantity of each item that you want to pick up. Now that is generated from here, your inventory tracker. So you've got fridge, freezer, pantry, herbs and spices, and other. When you first get this list, this is a bit of a daunting task, filling out absolutely everything, but trust me, this will become your best friend over time. The most important parts are making sure you fill out how much stock you have of an item and the expiry dates if possible. Clicking on these little arrows here, you can sort the sheet by expiry date, or if you prefer to have your sheets alphabetical, click it over here and it will sort it alphabetical instead. Now, if you are more of a writing sort of learner rather than a visual learner from this video, there are instructions included at the very start, just in case you forget anything. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my compact little system.